I chose Torrey pine imagery for this installation at Sharp Medical Group for a couple of reasons. The architecture itself is based on green and green architectural style, and we also wanted to use something from nature, and being as the Torrey pine is a very iconic tree in North County, San Diego, it seemed like a natural choice. There's actually Torrey pine needles sandblasted into the glass, which add a detail in the sculpture, and then there's the words as well. The computerized lighting adds a whole kinetic element to the installation, and it becomes very mesmerizing and mystical.